Hello again. We're still talking about global warming and climate change, and we are going to have an activity based on a text. So let's start. As you can see, A, B, C, D, and L, M, N, there are some kind of explanations or meanings, definitions of some words that are in the text. So, for example, to imagine or pretend to see. What is it? What is the word? What you're going to do is first guess one or two words that means to imagine or to pretend to see and write it next to the explanation or definition. And then while reading the text, look for those words or their synonyms, something close to them. That's how it works. If you just want to jump into the reading, looking for something that means raised, increased, and heightened, it's hard. Something that means a range of differences, it's hard. First, you need to take your time, just a couple of seconds for each option, and then find out a range of differences. What can it be? What can it be? Comes to your mind, take a note. The text is short. There are 14-15 words that you are going to find out. So now you can pause, guess the words and write next to the explanations. And then I'm going to give you only 1 minute to read the text and find the words. Pause, write your guesses. Okay, now I'm going to start the time. Only 1 minute for you to read this text and find the words that are asked of you. Here you go. And your time is up. Was it hard? If it was hard, you can, if you missed, if 2-3 words remained, you can go back, pause, and find the words. But that was enough. That's all you have in your assessment. So practice. A, to imagine or pretend to see, in vision. When something gets smaller and smaller, shrinking. Something that divides people into two groups, divisive. Someone who receives something, recipient. A range of differences, varying from this to that. Exactness, accuracy. To keep a record of, to document. Take someone's attention away from something, distract. Related to, like, similar to, akin. The measurable effects of a disease, symptoms. Raised, increased, and heightened, elevated. Directly or openly, overtly. Pace, tempo, speed, rate. Debate, argument, controversy. You were supposed to use scanning technique, not skimming. You don't need to know what the text is about. Of course, it says, is global warming real? We know what the text is about. But You want to find the words, for example, directly or openly. Finding overtly was quite hard. But what else? When you're reading, you're searching for directly and openly. What else can mean directly and openly? Whatever comes to your mind. So you write it down and then try to look a word like that. Like pace, tempo, speed. What else? That's how you do the activity. These activities are, some activities are exactly the assessment like, activities in the assessment, the questions part. Some just help you prepare for those activities. This one is like that. Well, thank you and take care.